To apply Descript's eye contact feature, select the layer. You can come to your timeline, select the layer of the video that you want to apply the eye contact to. Come over to this button that says layer on the right side. And down here at the bottom, there's an effects section. Click on the plus button. And there it is right there towards the bottom. You'll see eye contact. And it does give us a warning. It's a beta feature, so it may take a while to process at the time of this recording in July 2024, but go ahead and click on it and it'll say applying eye contact to the name of your video. And I'll check back in a moment when it's done. Okay, and let's see how it looks. It just finished. I'm going to do full size. So there's with eye contact on. And you can see it looks like I'm looking right at the camera. If I turn eye contact off, you can see my eyes shift down. If you like this video, be sure to check out the 200+ other videos on this channel walking you through different Descript topics.